Hello there, my name is Georgina and I have the pleasure today of walking you through how to use the Team Gekko Customizer tool on the website. It's very simple and easy to use and you'll be creating your own masterpieces in no time. So let's jump in. In the tool, you'll notice that there are two main sections. On the right hand side is your visualizer. This is where you can see your creations come to life in real time as you make your edits. On the left-hand side is your editing menu for the text and the background color of your sign. The text section is where you can choose your font color, edit the text, adjust the size and spacing of your text, change the font style, or of course reset if you want to start again from scratch and not happy with your design. So let's get started. First, I'm going to change the name of my boat. You can either change it in the text box on the left-hand side or double-click on the visualizer to change the text there. Once you've changed your text, select the color. You'll notice that you have a wide range of solid fill or pattern colors to choose from. I would definitely recommend playing around with these to see what you can find to really let your boat's personality or your personality shine through. Once you've decided on your text color, you have the option of adding an outline to really make the letters pop. Adjusting the width will make the line thicker or thinner. You may also want to play around with the size of your font. You'll notice a safety area marked by a blue dashed outline, so make sure your text stays within those lines. You can also adjust the letter spacing to make the most of the space. Line spacing only applies if you have two lines of text, so for boat signs it's unlikely you'll need to use this feature. The final option you can play around with is the font style. All of these fonts have been pre-selected for this particular sign, so go ahead and play around with the options to see what works best for you. Once you have finished editing your text, X out of that section and click on the sign background option to change the background color of your sign. You have a wide range of solid fill colors to choose from. Once your design is complete, click on the Done button and you'll be taken back to the product page where you can see your design in all its glory. The final step is to make a selection in this yellow box on the product page. Select Chrome when off if you want a modern chrome solid fill to appear in your letters when the sign is not illuminated, similar to what you see in this picture here on the left. If you want your pattern or solid color fill to show through when the sign is illuminated, don't check that box. Now I want that chrome solid fill, so I'm going to select it. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial helps and happy designing.